In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off reviews on a Facebook business page. If you want to stop people from being able to view and leave reviews on your business page, Facebook gives you a setting for that. And the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I am going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost in the menus. To get started, log into Facebook and look in the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile photo there. This opens the account menu, where you'll be able to switch between your personal profile and any pages you manage. From that menu, select See All Profiles, then switch into the specific business page you want to manage. This part is important, because the review setting has to be changed from inside the page itself, not just from your personal account. Once you've switched successfully, you'll be working as that business page. Now, go back to the top right corner and click the page's profile picture again. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for the page, where Facebook keeps most of the management options. Once you are in Settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Audience and Visibility. Under that section, click on Page and Tagging. This is where Facebook places a variety of page interaction settings, including the one for reviews. After opening Page and Tagging, look for the option that says Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. When you find it, simply toggle the switch to turn it off. You will know it has been disabled when the switch changes from blue to gray. That's it. Once the setting is turned off, people will no longer be able to leave new reviews on your Facebook business page. And the reviews section will no longer be available in the same way. If you ever want to turn reviews back on later, you can come back to this same setting and switch it back. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see the option, make sure you are definitely switched into the correct page and that you are looking in the full settings area, not a limited shortcut menu. Facebook's layout can also change slightly over time, but the setting is usually still found under Page and Tagging. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.